We're going to make
Napolitan.
Napolitan,
Japanese fried spaghetti.
or hot dog spaghetti fried. You started out by cooking your spaghetti normal and draining it.
And put the cold water.
Cold water to cool it off. And that's the first step.
And you put the oil in the spaghetti noodles.
So they don't stick.
Cut the half onion.
Okay. Half onion sliced. Onion in the skillet.
And shave the one garlic.
Okay, one of them you want to shave as small as you can. We're going to use that for garlic butter. Or in this case, garlic margarine.
Here. Oops, I missed.
And then later we got to mix it up. Now smash the other 3 cloves of garlic. And we're going to put those in with the onions. Chop them up a little bit. And from our magic freezer, we've got about a half cup of green peppers frozen and some red peppers. Next,
And put the oil in the fry.
and fry all these ingredients like you would normally anything with onions. Fry it until it starts to get a little translucent, which is usually about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, here's a surprise. We're gonna make garlic bread out of hot dog buns.
Mix the shaved garlic and the butter.
Let the margarine sit out for about 30 minutes. That way it softens really nice. And mix in that garlic.
And you just put in here.
And butter them. And then we're going to put them in the toaster oven. And they're going to get nice.
Broiler.
Toaster broiler. You're going to cook it on broil, probably about 5 minutes, or until they're brown on top.
2 hot dog cut the angle. Oops.
2 hot dogs cut at an angle. Stir up your veggies. Now that they've been cooking for about 2 or 3 minutes.
Hot dog. Okay.
The veggies cooked about 5 minutes. Add the 2 hot dogs sliced. Next we're going to put a little sauce.
Less than 1 cup of ketchup.
That's a 1 cup container. It's a little less, so a little more than 3/4 cup
Yeah.
of regular ketchup.
Regular
That also
ketchup.
may surprise you. And for a little boost in flavor, 1 tablespoon.
Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, of Worcestershire sauce. It's hard for me to say. And it's cooking up nicely.
And now you do garlic bread. You put the ketchup, be careful, just splash a little bit so keep mixing. Little bit, let them cook the ketchup.
And just after you added the ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, then that's a good time to turn on the broiler and set about 5 minutes for garlic bread to start cooking. Already has a good smell.
And now we put the spaghetti noodles for 2 persons.
Today we're making it for 2 people, and that's about, when you grab the raw spaghetti, about 1-inch circle in your hand.
And just keep mixing.
Mix and mix and mix.
Mix. And you like a little bit the taste of burn, let them set and let them cook in the bottom a little bit, smoky flavor. Just leave like that and then let them burn bottom a little bit. Tastes really good.
Turn your heat down low and let it simmer. While it's simmering, the garlic bread is cooking. So it's probably going to simmer for about 2 minutes. And now that it's cooked and soaked a little, and there's a flip.
A little bit burn food. Tastes good. You got a little bit burn food? Yeah.
Tastes good.
Okay.
Now all you have to do is serve it up. I will let you know that I've had this many times, and often Kyoko would make it, and I would come home late from work, and she'd have to reheat it.
4 times.
But it reheats pretty well, even 4 times. Memories.
All the time, yeah?
Yeah. There's the garlic bread.
And the garlic bread.
Slightly toasty. Wait. Okay, put a little Parmesan cheese on it, and there you have it.
Yeah.
A sort of an instant hot dog spaghetti. In Japan, is called Napoleon spaghetti. Enjoy Kyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.